We'll collapse hobby trains. Expand Bob Jones software. We'll expand Bob Jones record. There are 2,671 logged activities for Bob. That's a lot of records to work through. To make it easier to find something you're looking for, you can filter the display of the records in the table. Note that each column has a drop-down filter control. You can open up and expose the filters that are available. You can unselect all and just pick one of the listed items, or you can go for text filters, contains, and type a phrase or a search word or a keyword. I'll use the word forum, and I'll click OK. Now the list has been filtered, and only records pertaining to activity category being Camtasia Forum are displayed. Note that there's only 1,012 of those. I'm going to use Control-N key to go to the last record. You can see that was recorded on February the 26th. To unfilter a list, you need to go back and, again, to open up the filter control on the top of the column, and we'll click Clear Filter from Activity Category IC, which is the column we're working. Once again, we have all 2,671 records available. You can filter on any column, and the column filters for date and time are slightly different than they are for text values, but they're easy to work with. Same holds true with numbers as opposed to text and currency as opposed to text. Another way to filter is to make a selection. I'm going to navigate to the last record. This time, I'm going to select in a column on a record. In this case, MCLM Desktop Development. Then I'll go up here to User Actions. Selection equals the item I've already selected. I'll click that. The list is now filtered again, and I only see records pertaining to MCLM Desktop Development. I can unfilter using the drop-down controls here, or I could go up here under User Actions, Advanced, Clear All Filters. After filtering Table View, I'll close User Actions, and I'll use Control-W. Note the message. Listen up, we want to save any changes. The changes it's referring to are changes that were imposed when we filtered and unfiltered the table view. You want to always say no. Otherwise, the table can open up in filtered mode. So I'll click No. I didn't make any changes. If I go back and open Accounts table again, span Bob Jones. I have all my records available. Again, Control-W. We'll close that. We'll go back to the contacts form.